Hello and welcome to StoryTone English. You are listening to Listen and Speak English with Stories. In today's video, you will learn and speak English while listening to the life story of Nikola Tesla. This story will help you improve your English listening skills, your pronunciation, and your speaking confidence. Please sit comfortably, listen carefully, and speak with me when I ask you to repeat. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Now, let us begin today's story. Nikola Tesla was one of the greatest inventors the world has ever known, but during his life, he was often misunderstood. Nikola Tesla was born in the year 1856. He was born in a small village in what is now Croatia. His father was a writer and priest. His mother was very intelligent. She created tools at home, even though she had no formal education. Nikola learned from his mother. She inspired his creativity. She inspired his imagination. As a child, Nikola Tesla had a powerful memory. He could imagine machines clearly in his mind. He did not always need drawings. Nikola studied engineering. He loved electricity. He believed electricity could change the world. Later, Nikola moved to the United States. He arrived with very little money, but he had big dreams. In America, he worked with Thomas Edison. At first, they worked together, but soon they disagreed. Edison supported direct current. Tesla believed in alternating current. This became known as the War of Currents. Nikola Tesla worked hard. He believed in his ideas. Eventually, alternating current became successful. Today, alternating current powers homes, cities, and industries around the world. Nikola Tesla created many inventions. He worked on wireless energy. He worked on radio signals. He imagined a world connected by electricity. But Tesla's life was not easy. He did not care about money. He cared about ideas. He lived simply. He often felt lonely. Many people did not understand him. In his later years, Nikola Tesla lived quietly. He continued thinking. He continued imagining the future. Nikola Tesla died in the year 1943. He died alone, but his ideas did not die. Today, the world recognizes his genius. His ideas power our modern life. Nikola Tesla taught us something powerful. Believe in your ideas, even if others do not. Now it is time to learn and speak English. Please listen and repeat after me. Nikola Tesla believed in his ideas. Electricity changed the world. I can learn English step by step. Now repeat again. I speak English with confidence. Listening helps me speak better. I improve my English every day. Now pause the video. Speak these sentences loudly, speak clearly, speak confidently. Think about Nikola Tesla's life. Think about his courage. Think about his imagination. Learning English is similar. You must believe in yourself. Progress takes time. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep learning. Thank you for learning with StoryTone English. See you in the next story.